Go.
Okay, these are high-low beds. They're very low to the ground. As you can see, this set of wheels is in the middle position here, which allows the deck of this bed to be very, very low. The other option is to have the wheels where the regular bed would be, and that allows this bed is lower normally than a regular bed, but with that in that middle position like this one here, it's very, very low. The deck is 9 inches off the ground. Then you add your mattress and APP, so you're about a foot to 12 inches, depending on how thick your mattress is. When you have them set up in the facility or home, this bed has got to be lifted. It has to be in its lowest position for the wheels to work. If you try, the extension will be on the ground and you won't be able to move the bed without that being all the way down. That's the only way you can move this bed. Because once the extension hits the carpet, it's not going to go anywhere. The difference between a semi-electric and a full electric is one motor. This motor right here is that drive bar that we attached before on a regular bed. This now is in the middle of that. So this is going to attach to the foot spring, and then your drive bar is going to fit to the other end of that motor. On this drive bar, you've got these pin settings. You go to the shortest pin setting for that, for a full electric. So you'll only extend it to that first one. And that's going to be the length you'll want. Now to engage, Scott, you probably have to come in on this one. To engage into the foot spring, or into the foot spring into the headboard, you've got to press this little piece in, twist it, and that's going to pop out. And that's what's going to get into that piece at the bottom where your drive bar fit before. When you're taking this apart, this has to be pushed back in and twisted and disengaged before you try to take it off. Otherwise, this will get bent and it'll forevermore be a pain to engage and disengage from then on. So if this doesn't line up quite right, you'll disengage it and you're going to have to press, sometimes very hard, one direction or the other, and try to get that set up and get it lined up with the pins in the footboard. The one thing that Shad just tried, and I hadn't seen it done before, but he got it close, and then he'd go up and down with the motor. So this is spinning a little bit this way, and then it worked its way back in. So you may try that, but I've found that a lot of times if these get out of alignment, then you've got to push really hard one way or the other to get that to pop in there, and just get a bigger hammer, okay? When you're loading these and transporting these up, these are the bed kits that we put them on. If you try to transport this high-low bed in this position, these are going to hit your ramps when you put them in and out of your vans. So when you're transporting this, you got to take these wheels out and set them into the bottom of that, just like this one is. This will be a much easier way to load that up. Otherwise, you're going to hit that all the time, and it's really, really hard to load. Makes it difficult. And that is a high-low bed.